Hello, my name is Joseph Busher, and working with my partner Daniel, we have come up with the Blue Light Bandage, a brighter way to heal. First, let's introduce the team. I'm Joseph Busher, a BSMD student at the University of South Florida. My background in biomedical sciences gives me the clinical perspective to understand the risks of surgical site infections and the urgent need for better prevention methods. I'm focusing on the regulatory and clinical strategy for BlueLight innovations with certifications in medical device quality systems, safety standards, and FDA approval pathways. My role is to make sure the BlueLight Bandage is not just an idea, but a device that meets the highest standards for safety and patient impact.
Hello, I am Daniel Wallace. I am the co-founder of BlueLight Innovations, where I lead the engineering and commercialization department. I bring hands-on experience in electronics prototyping, circuit design, and product development, and I'm complementing this with training in device compliance and market access. My role is to take clinical vision and translate it into a physical device that is simple, safe, and affordable. I also lead our outreach to hospitals, mentors, and potential partners.
Every year, millions of patients worldwide suffer from surgical site infections. These infections extend hospital stays, increase healthcare costs by billions, and in severe cases can even lead to death. Traditional dressings act only as passive barriers. They don't actively protect the wound from the bacteria. Our solution is the BlueLight Bandage, a reusable, small dressing that integrates low-intensity blue light LEDs. These LEDs sit lightly elevated above the skin, shining a safe, gentle light directly onto the incision site. Scientific studies have shown that blue light can inactivate harmful bacteria like MRSA without the use of antibiotics or chemicals.
The BlueLight Bandage integrates elevated blue light LEDs into a patch placed over surgical incisions, utilizing blue light in the 405 to 470 nanometer range, which disrupts bacterial cell structures and reduces microbial growth. This mechanism is particularly important for pathogens such as methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, also known as MRSA. A leading cause of surgical site infections, SSIs not only delay recovery and increase healthcare costs, but in severe cases can lead to systematic infections and even death. By replacing passive dressings with an active light-based and reusable antimicrobial solution, the BlueLight Bandage offers a chemical-free, non-invasive, and cheaper method to lower the risk of SSIs. BlueLight Innovations envisions this technology as a scalable, affordable solution that can help hospitals reduce infection rates, minimize antibiotic use, and provide patients with safer post-operative recovery.
Unlike standard dressings or silver-coated products, our bandage doesn't just cover the wound. It actively prevents infection. It's fully reusable, affordable for hospitals and patients, and designed for comfort with a thin, flexible, breathable structure. In future versions, we'll integrate sensors and wireless connectivity for real-time wound monitoring.
The global wound care market exceeds $20 billion and continues to grow. Surgical site infections alone affect up to 5% of patients and are a major driver of hospital costs and readmissions. By offering an affordable, reusable, infection-preventing bandage, BlueLight Innovations can save money for healthcare systems and, more importantly, save lives.
Together, we combine medical insight and engineering execution. Our vision is to pioneer a new class of smart, reusable antimicrobial dressings that go beyond passive protection. By using light instead of chemicals or antibiotics, we're tackling infection prevention in a way that is both sustainable and scalable. BlueLight Innovations exists because we believe every patient deserves a safer recovery. Thank you for watching.